Children, today we're out here and there's a black racer snake right here. Oh yeah, look at that black racer. Non-venomous snake, common all throughout southern US, including Florida, where I am right now. They're all black. It's a coolbird, and you can see it also has a white throat and red eyes. It's just really cool. This black racer, look at that. It's just slithering around. It's peaceful. This is such a pretty snake. Oh man, this racer is coming straight towards me. Look at that. Wow. It might be going after a curly tail. I don't know. One of these curly tails right here. Maybe. He has his head up, so he's probably stalking something. Oh man, he's got his head up. Ooh. Yeah, this behavior of putting the head up is something that all racers do. They put their heads up in search of food. I've actually had this happen to me with an eastern yellow-bellied racer. It actually held its head up while looking at me. It was really nice. Oh man, it's looking right at me. And he's crawling around. He's heading straight towards here. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Got him right there. Oh yeah. Oh, there he goes, there he goes. Look at that. And there's a curly tail right up here. I think he's gonna go for it. Oh, there he goes. He's heading up the wall. Oh, the curly tails know that he's going up the wall. Let's head up. Yeah, that's a normal behavior of racers. That's how they look for food. Oh yeah, look at that. Didn't get his tasty meal. There's a few brown rock doves in this little walk. Like there's one right here. Laughing gulls. Another cicada is right here. Look at that. You can get a nice view of them right there. My favorite insect. They're so big. And they make these loud rattling noises. And it's kind of annoying, but they're cute. Look how beautiful this one is right up here. Right up there. Perfect view. Another cicada right here. They're so adorable. There's a red crab right here.
Oh. Get him before it's climbing up onto the wall.
Yeah, here he goes.
Can you get video?
Yeah, I'm getting video. It's a red crab. Got it, cicada, right here. Look at that. Beautiful cicada. Look at that. My absolute favorite insect. Look at that. That's a cicada. Holding him right down. You can see, look at that. The cicadas are bugs, so that means that they have the ability to lock their proboscis down and tuck it right under their chest. And you can see he's vibrating a lot, but this one's definitely a male because he has the vibrating noise. But their signature sound is caused by a vibration noise. So, yeah. But here he is, right on my hand. He's starting to get a lot more calm, holding him down by his. I'm actually not even holding him down anymore. He's gotten used to my hand, and he's trying to make noises on it. And he's the most adorable little cicada ever. Alright, there he goes. There he goes. Whee! Bye-bye.